Hi, my name is Carmen and I'm a final year Justice and Law student.
Hi, my name is Sam and I'm a final year law student.
This semester, we worked with the Cherbourg Aboriginal Shire Council to develop an annual performance appraisal, and we also supported the development of a Cherbourg Youth Council, a platform for young people in Cherbourg to share their opinions about what matters to them and what they think should be changed in their community. Cherbourg was established as a government settlement in the early 1900s, and after almost a century of government rule and intervention, became a deed of grant and trust community with its own independent local council. Since then, the Cherbourg Council has helped develop Cherbourg into the vibrant community it is today. The Cherbourg Council continues to develop and grow the Cherbourg community whilst maintaining its unique cultural identity. In doing this, Council has engaged various stakeholders to work towards projects that benefit the community.
The key project I was engaged in was the development of an annual performance review on behalf of the Economic Development Team. The Economic Development Team are trying to rejuvenate Cherbourg's industry and business sectors to help address high unemployment rates in the region.
The Youth Council project's aim is to engage with young people from Cherbourg and reduce the likelihood of young people turning to crime. This semester, I worked with Cherbourg Council and Mergen's Community Training Centre to create an online and paper-based survey that asks for young people's thoughts about creating a youth council. I also asked other youth councils about any challenges they encountered in developing and implementing a youth council. This information will now hopefully guide next year's implementation of the Cherbourg Youth Council.
Though our projects initially seemed dissimilar, Carmen and I quickly realised that we faced many of the same challenges. As we both prefer to have clear goals when we start a project, our biggest challenge was to overcome the initial uncertainty around our projects. We both quickly discovered that we need to be flexible and adaptable during our placements in order to work towards the best interests of the Cherbourg Council.
Because my project involved working in an interdisciplinary team with people from Cherbourg, Mergen, Brisbane, and sometimes Kingaroy, I found that proactive communication was an important part in overcoming the distances involved. Clear and open communication also allowed other people to highlight whether they had other commitments that would affect the progress of the project.
Having finished my project, I've developed a number of skills which will help me progress at both a personal and professional level. On a personal level, I feel that I am better equipped to deal with uncertainty. Professionally, I feel that it is now easier for me to communicate with those from a different background to my own, providing me with valuable workplace experience.
The challenges of working remotely and doing so as part of a team has improved my online communication. I feel that I would now be better equipped in the future if I am to work in an organisation that engages with stakeholders who are located in different cities. I believe that my ability to adapt and think of creative solutions whilst working remotely from a team will now help me in my career. This placement has also helped me decide that I want to work in communities and in the area of sustainable development, where my contributions will hopefully have a lasting impact on the community.
We'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who has made this placement possible for us and for continuing the QUT-Cherbourg relationship, especially Catherine, Deb and Jody, who have guided us through the process, as well as the QUT Ujuru Unit, Cherbourg Council and the Community Training Centre.
Created using Powtoon.